So, first off, I'm going to explain what we have going on right here. We have a variable. We know it's a variable because it starts off with a type. It then goes into an identifier. This is actually a combination of two lines of code put into one. It's a shorthand. I could actually have written this code like this, which I'm going to leave the code written like that, and I'm going to take the name and I'm going to place it at the top of main, just to make things a little bit more clear as far as making the steps explicit. What I've done right here is I have said my program or my method main, which is the entry point to my application, will at some point contain data in the form of a variable that is called name and that is of type string. So a variable is basically a bucket where we can place data into. What we have right here is the first example of an assignment that you guys have seen if you are new to programming. Assignments are accomplished with the equals operator or the assignment operator, and that is just a single equals. What this expression does is it assigns whatever console.readline returns or whatever console.readline gives back to us to the variable called name. It takes all the data that console.readline returns and it places it into this bucket that we can then use in another place in our code. Before name is assigned to something, or before something is assigned to name, sorry, name has a default value. It doesn't contain any important information. But after I tell it to contain whatever the result of console.readline is, it now contains useful information. Console.readline will pause my console until I type in any string that I want and hit enter.